Blackie has just brought home his first offering to us, a bird, which he is batting around like a cat toy. Gross me freaking out. Ugh. Yuck. I want that thing out of my garage. Blackie, it's very kind of you and everything to bring us that, but how about you take it out in the yard and play with it? See, the thing that's freaking me out right now, I mean, I've seen him and Buddy play with moths and then eat them. So he's playing with his dead bird, so I'm assuming he will eventually eat said dead bird, which I don't particularly want to witness. Gross. Where's my husband when I need him? Buddy, that is so disgusting. He's like throwing that around. Up in the air, tossing it. Gross. Ew. Ew, ew, ew. Gone. It's so gone.